Hi everyone, my name is Octavia and today I will give you some tutorial how to make corn with milk and cheese like this. Before we make some food, don't forget to wash your hands first. It makes your hands stay clean. And now let's get started. The ingredients are peeled corn, grated cheese, margarine, condensed milk. First, add enough water to the pan. Then put the corn in the pan that has been filled with water. Put the pan on the stove and then boil the corn on medium heat. Wait until it's boiling. Don't forget to stir it. If already boiling, you can turn off the heat. Then strain the boiled corn. Then prepare the bowl and pour the corn into a bowl. Spread the corn with margarine. And then put the cheese on. And then the last one, put condensed milk. Now it's already done. Now it's ready to be served and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.